Hello! Welcome to SuperBolter, where you can experience an amazing immersive 3D experience and imagine how your future dream home could look like in minutes. To begin, you need to click on the Get Started button, and it will take you to all the floor plans of the property. You can scroll through all the floor plans to find the one that suits you the best. Select a property and click on Create Home from Scratch. Give your selected home a name and click on Confirm and Continue. You can either go to My Homes page or click on Open 3D Home. Within few seconds, your 3D home will open. To get a better look of your home, rotate the home to get a beautiful aerial view. To get more personal perspective, click on the Walkthrough button on the bottom right corner. Use the arrow keys or the joystick in the bottom center and your mouse to easily navigate through the house. To design a room, click on the All Rooms tab in the top left corner and select a room. In the top right side, click on the design and you will see some beautiful designs. Select a design you like and click on Apply Design. And within seconds, the design gets applied in your room. Similarly, design other rooms in your home. Some other interesting things that you can do on SuperBolter are trying wallpapers and paints. Click on a wall, select the wallpaper or paint option. Pick one from the wide collection and apply it to your walls. Let's add some artwork on the wall. Go to the painting section, click on Try Product and place it anywhere in the room. Let's change the flooring in this room. Click on the floor and select the type of flooring you like. Pick an option and click on the floor to apply. It's that simple. Add some lights in your home, and here is the moment of magic. Click on the light bulb and see your home in different light mode. Just like that, in few minutes you can design your full dream home. Click on the Walkthrough button to take a final look of your beautiful home done by you. Use the arrow keys and mouse again to navigate. Doesn't it seem like fun? And just like that, you can design your whole house within minutes and dive into this immersive feeling of experiencing your dream home. Go to superbolter.com and try it yourself today.